Good evening, brothers. जों दिनै 15 आगस्ट 2026 आव जोंनि Bon-Asur MCआ 5th फाउन्डेसन डेखौ फालिनो हाबाय आरो बयखौबो फैनायनि थाखाय आं गोजोननाय बावबाय। दायो जोंनि चिफआ माखासे बाथ्राफोर बुंनानै जोंखौ दिनैनि प्रग्रामखौ मेहेरगोनां खालामगोन। बेनिखायनो चिफखौ आं फंनैसो गावनि बिबुंथि लाखिनो थाखाय खावलायबाय।
दायो जोंना हाबाफारि बायदिनो इन्ट्रडाक्सन सेसना जोब्बाय। ओमफ्राय दायो आङो जोंनि Bon-Asur क्लाबा Bon-Asur मटरसाइकेल क्लाबा मारै फैनानै एथ' गोबाव सम जों 5 बोसोर बा 5 years जोङो फाउन्डेसन खुंनो हादों। दा बेनि एसेबाबो आङो सुंद'यै बुजायनो लुगैदों बयखौबो। जोङो 2021 आव 14 अगस्टआव फाउन्डेसन खालामनाय जादों रेसिं। ओमफ्राय बेनि उनाव जोङो 2022 आव फार्स्ट फाउन्डेसन डेखौ जोङो बाक्सायाव खालामहैदों। बाक्सायाव खालामहैनायाव जोंनाव टटेल मेम्बारा 11 जनल' दंमोन। ओमफ्राय जोंनि हाबाफारिखौ नुनानै, जोंनि इउनिटिखौ नुनानै, जोंनि राइटखौ नुनानै जोङो बहुतथा दाब दाब जायगायाव थांदों। आदार कान्ट्रिसफ्रावबो जों बहुतथा राइड खालामदों। माने बेसिकेलि आं लानानै थांजोबोमोन, बहुत मानसिफोरखौनो लानानै थाङोमोन। ओमफ्राय फेमास जादों, ओमफ्राय बयबो मोजां मोननानै फैदों आरो। दा फैनानै जों आसाम राइडार्स मिटखौबो जों खुंनो हादों। दा जेरैखि जाया खुंबाय, खुनुरुखुमबाबो खुंबाय। दा मोनसे खोथाया ओरैबायदि आरो, जोंनि राइडिं मट'आ जाहैबाय राइट फर इन्डिजिनियास पिपल्स राइट्स। थारमाने जोङो जेसेबांखिनि थागिबि दं आसामाव, बा बिसोरनि थाखाय जोङो राइड खालामो, बा जों बिसोरनि थाखाय जोङो मोन्थायखौ बा जोंनि राइट्सखौ जोङो फोरमायहैयो आरो। दाब दाब जायगायाव थांनानै, राइडिं इभेन्ट्सफ्राव थांनानै, बा गोजान गोजान जायगायाव राइड खालामनानै जों बेखौ बुजायबोयो मानसिफोरनो। जोंनि नर्थ इस्टनि जेसेबांखिनि इन्डिजिनियास कमिउनिटिसफोर दं, बा जोंनि बर' हारिनि जेसेबांखिनि जोंनि दानाय लुनाय, जोमनाय, जानायनिफ्राय थानानै कालचार, ट्रेडिसन्स, ओमफ्राय टुरिजम एक्सप'जार, बेफोरखौ जोङो खोन्थानानै फैयो। ओमफ्राय जोंनि कयेकथा जेनेबा ट्रेडिसनेल संसफोर, ट्रेडिसनेल डेन्सफोर, बेफोरखौबो जोंनि दा मेम्बार्सफ्राबो बयबो मिथिजोबगौ। बेफोरखौबो जोङो बर' संसफोरनि थ्रुयै जोङो देखायबोयो, गुबुन गुबुन दाब दाब हादोराव थांनानैबाबो। दा जोंनि मट'आ राइट फर इन्डिजिनियास पिपल्स राइट्स, माने जों इउनाइटेड थानांगौ। माने सोरबा सासे बेक्तिया सालायनानै जेनेबा एसे प्रब्लेम मोन्दोंबा मादोंबा, बेफोरखौ जोङो गाज्रि मोनलायलायनो नाङा, नेलायलायनानै लांनांगौ। आरो बेफोरखौ जोङो सोरबा मानसिया एसेबाबो दाय मावदोंबा बेखौ निमाहा होलायलायनानै जों ज' इउनिटि थालायलायनांगौ। दा नंखायनो दा फैनानै दिनैहाय 5th फाउन्डेसन डे फैनो हालायलायबाय। 5 बोसोर जोङो जों थांनानै थाबाय, आरो जों थांनानै थाबावगोन। जाहाथे इयुनावबो नोंसोर जाहाथे बयबो राइडिंआव ओंखारबाय थाथों, राइड खालामनो हाबाय थाथों। ओमफ्राय मोजाङै मोजां देहाफ्राबो सोलेरफ्राबो मोजाङै मोजां थालांबाय थाथों। ओंखायनो बेखौ आं कामना खालामनानै इसोरनाव बिनानै नोंथांमोननिसिम आंनि सुंद' बिबुंथिखौ बाहायनो आं फोजोबनानै लाबाय।
गोजोननाय थाबाय चिफनिसिम। दायो जोङो जोंनि फाउन्डेसन डे खालि एभ्रि फाउन्डेसन डे नामाव जों टि-शार्ट मेम'रिसनि थाखाय टि-शार्ट रानो। बेनि थाखायनो जों दा चिफखौ खावलायगोन जे गावनि आखाइजों जों मेम्बार्सफोरखौ टि-शार्टखौ डिस्ट्रिबिउट खालामो।
जोङो दायो डनेसननि थाखाय थांगासिनो। People might be thinking that there is flood only in Upper Assam, but there in fact was a flood even in Western Assam, that is in Bodoland, in Chirang district bordering to Bhutan. There was a flood and the entire village was evacuated, and they have been rehabilitated. It seems, we are not sure, so we'll be going there, help out, at least something. This is the condition of the road. There is a gravel, sand gravel, and there is a CC block also. Imagine how the pace of development is going on in Bodoland region after the Bodoland Accord. That is after formation of Bodoland Territorial Council. All the interior places, they have been paved. In fact, like there are some places which roads are not accessible, but comparing to other states, comparing to Bihar, UP, and entire Assam, and entire Northeast, in fact, Bodoland is quite developed in matters of road connectivity. The road condition is still good. This is completely interior village. Which side? Which is the road? I think I'm lost. I don't know where are these guys, man. I am with the car and these guys are with the bike. and they were so much enthusiastic to ride today because of Independence Day, you know, like people used to have freedom ride and all that. And since it is also our foundation day, our boys are, you know, like fully immersed into riding a bike. I don't know, I couldn't even find them, man. I'm lost. I am lost. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am going. I know where I'm going. The road is good. It's very good. The government of Bodoland has really taken up the development work in road connectivity. Other sectors I won't comment, but the road connectivity is excellent in Bodoland. I don't know, man, where are these guys? I'm lost. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I am riding. I don't know where I am driving. There are two roads. Okay, left. Okay. Ayo! How am I going to take my car through this? Dangerous. It's dangerous. I did. Now off-road starts. Off-road in the sense is gravel work. And there is a concrete bridge also. So what I have been talking about BTC development, Bodoland development, you can see there is concrete bridges. There are concrete bridges. There are good roads. There are paved roads, and there are sand graveling road. This in fact is like forest area, I think so. All these places are like forest village. Some people are cultivating, what do you call that? Yam. किस तरफ गया रे? अरे? This in fact is a very low-lying area. You can see the road, and you can see these places. They are very low-lying, and people are dwelling here. They are building houses there. You can see the houses. It's very low. Definitely there will be flood, no? And I think like we should spread awareness among them to build this bungalow type houses, which in olden days like indigenous Bodo people, Garo, Nagas, Mizos, Kasi, Nepalis, like they used to have houses which are a bit higher above, no? Like kind of a bungalow. So we should teach them. These people are, I don't know, man, dwelling in low-lying area. So the roads are getting narrow and narrow. Yeah, you can see here solar. Hey, हम लोग का बोडोलैंड गवर्नमेंट बहुत अच्छा है रे. सोलर भी दे दिया है. ओ बैक साइड में जाना है. Again, I lost the road, man. I lost the road. I have to go back and turn right. That is the village. Okay, they are there. Yeah. सोलर भी है इधर. साला मेरा घर में ही सोलर नहीं है. इधर भी सोलर है. ये अच्छा. ये displaced people. So this is displaced villagers. Let me try to drive through this. I don't know whether I can drive through it or not. Let me go through. जाता है तो जाता है, नहीं है तो नहीं है. लगाओ. I did. आयु माथो माबाजोब. जोंना नै लिडारफ्रा सफैजोबबाय. जों सफैबाय जायगायाव स्पटआव. Displaced, all these are displaced people. बिनि उन्दुनाया नै बिदिसो उन्दुयो गरमाव. बैथिं बेनो खुनुरुखुम बिदि. They are staying like this
Ayo kana umum. Yo bola apa aja ali?
Nah, itu yang mau. Ibra.
Ayo, dok tolong. Oh, karena tuh sih gede, lagi deh.
Ayah.
Macam tu sih nanggu. Lagi deh, boleh. Rider jauh sih lagi. Oi.
Bini t-shirt kau sepakar ada nanguman. Wild souls. Wih, macam mana ini ada ni sih?
Siri-siri ada ni lah. Ini aku mesti set bandai. Kenapa? Ini mah cuma berai.
Menteri mana kak? Cuma menteri mana?
Oh, menteri dah.
Oh.
Menteri ni bu.
Mari mendeng, fina nih, babu.
Mau kan bijin sih di korum.
Jeng kau macam baik. Ayu, border. Tuh ikan. Pun rawas tu ni. Hai deh. Nusni kem thara macam belang bal. Butan ni baik karnang ni macam belang bal. Border. Apa ni dengan ma pau dah. Bulan ni pergi kena pakai. Hang lau ni.
Sendiri sih sukses.
Hai deh.
Kita dah hafal.
Allah ini ya.
Hotel kan mau kau hebat.
Mana?
Manusia na. Kaplan saya.
Yes. Oh ini kalau mana aku?
Tangsi dah ni.
Sacrifice pun macam.
Kamu pilih nih bicara.
Alia. Boleh continuous ni boleh punya dam kalau lagi boleh bersasana udah kerja.
What is English talking order, Brian? Ekdom don't talk me, you blood. What do you mean?